In this video I will show you how to install Kubuntu 14.04 onto a VirtualBox. Now first go to this website. Since the kubuntu.org page has been removed, you need to download it from another source. Then you will scroll down, then you'll find the awesome image download section. Click on this. Then you'll download the 14.04 version. Mine is the 32-bit version, or download the 32-bit version. Then it starts to download a version. Only about 1 minute left. It should be quicker and more faster to download. Now pause this video until the download is complete. Downloaded the file. And then we'll move it to our Asus ISO file folders. I moved this on my desktop, but I moved it to my ISOs folder. There it is. Or double click in the VirtualBox. Click on new. This wizard will come up. Click on next. Type in a virtual machine name. I'll type in kubuntu. Linux, kubuntu, ubuntu. Based on Ubuntu, it can be 80-bit or the Ubuntu 64-bit. I've downloaded the Ubuntu edition flavor for Kubuntu 80-bit. That's all. Leave it like that, the default 80-bit. Click on next. In the memory, I will leave it as 512 megabytes or 512 megs. That is the recommended one. Click next. Create a new hard disk. When I don't have a hard disk created, click on next. File types like VDI. VirtualBox disk image. Next. Dynamically allocated. Next. Or leave as 8 gigs. And the folder for the virtual machine, you can save it into your USB drive or which folder you like, but I recommend you to leave it as in the default VirtualBox VMs folder if you're concerned about your virtual machine getting lost. Click on next, create, then in summary click create, then this one will come up, then create again. Now the virtual machine has been created. Now we'll start the virtual machine. Click on OK. And the first one wizard. Click on next. Now we need to browse for the Kubuntu ISO file. Now mine's in the ISO folder. Now we select it and I'll click on open. Click next and then start. Then the Kubuntu operating system should be starting or capture this. Then it should load the operating system, and that is Kubuntu 14.04. Loading up. Click on the gate again. Then it'll begin to it should boot to the desktop. Or the installation screen. You can see here Olivia's. I'll resize the window back to its original window, like that. Then I'll minimize, maximize it. Then the language I'll select is English. Then try kubuntu. You can install. You can try kubuntu if you want, but I'll select install kubuntu for this video tutorial. You should have at least 5.8 GB available space, and your machine should be connected to the internet. Install this third-party software. Download of this one install kubuntu. This is for completely optional. Click on next. Go to use entire disk. It's recommended for the virtual machine disk to be erased and created with the new kubuntu installation, while keeping the physical disk like the virtual disk. I'll click install now. Scan, detect the file system. Select your time zone. Click next. Choose a keyboard layout. Then click on next. You can choose any other language you want, depending on the country you live. Click on continue. Copy. It will copy the files in this bar. Type your name and password. I'll type in my name. I'll choose the password. Then I'll log in automatically. You can keep it for require my password to log in, or log in automatically depending on your preferences. continue. And we'll start installing your Kubuntu 14 Kubuntu 14.4 LTS operating system onto virtualbox. So already copying the files. When I'm back, one is installed. It is not complete. Now when the installation is complete, you click on restart now to restart the VM. We made to install Kubuntu on. It will ask you to remove pre-social media, then close, betray. I don't have any access files like this. Okay. I'll press enter to confirm. Boot up Kubuntu operating system. Click on OK. Select your hard disk. Then Kubuntu is fully installed. Now I'll set my screen resolution. Alright, click. But as I'm used to the Windows method, I cannot access the display resolution properties like I can do in the Windows. First you have to click on this button, the Kubuntu. What is not working? Why is it still lagging? this will have to load after it booted. I'll go to system settings. Then we have to wait till system settings. Go to display monitor. While I cannot adjust the resolution, while I cannot offer me an option, I have to find other methods. I'll find a way to do that. I still cannot adjust the split resolution. But that's pretty much it. You install kubuntu onto virtualbox. Now power up this virtual machine. I'll go to settings. Storage. Make sure that the ISO file is removed, because you do not need to install the operating system again and again. Even after configuring the operating system to full functionality, you do not need to uninstall and reinstall the operating system. You can remove the ISO file from this and use kubuntu as intended. Even if it removes the ISO automatically from this list, it should follow this speech, because this is important for long-term use for this virtual machine. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and this video helped you. Feel free to post the comment section below, and you should post comments about finding help, or if you encounter problems or need help, feel free to post them and let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.